Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to let you know that an unboxing of my Norwex Party came. Norwex! So, let's see where I can put this. I didn't get much because my party wasn't very much, but still, anything's better than nothing, right? So, and I did order a couple things, or was this the one that I ordered? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, so I got this. This is the household package. So, oops, this is pretty cool. So what it is you get one EnviroCloth, a window cloth, and a dusting mitt. So this is, whoops, let me just put this on the floor. So this is the dusting mitt. It feels really, really nice. Let's see. Oh, this is cool. Dusting mitt. And I like the color. It's like a blue. And then open this up. And this one is the environmental cloth. And it says it right here. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And it's very, very fine. It's very weird feeling. I've never felt anything so weird besides this. And then this one, this is a really nice purple. I like the purple. This one is for the window. So I'm excited to try this. It's made in China. 70% polyester, 30% polyethylene. I don't know. I can't really read it. Oh, anyway. So I'm excited about that. And then I have, this is what I'm really cool about. Okay, this one is the makeup removal cloth set. You get 3. So you get 3 different colors. You got the blue, green, and the purple. So this is supposed to really take off your makeup, your eyeliner and everything without much. Just put a little bit of water on it and just easily just comes off. So I can't wait to try it. And then this is pretty exciting. What was this? This one was, let's see. This is called the EnviroWand with the 2-sided sleeve. So this I heard was really good to do your dryer lint cloth or your lint thing. Just put it in there and it bends. So that's pretty cool. And this is a green. I don't know why it's really not coming up. But it is a green. And of course it comes with a handle. Let's see. Let's see here. Yep. Anyway, somehow it fits on here. But yeah. But this is supposed to be really, really cool too. It's supposed to pick up the lint just like that. Once I figure out how to put this on. Okay, and then the last thing, I got the Optic Scarf. So this is great for cleaning your glasses. And I got the black tie. Oops. And I have this to, I guess, hang on your purse or someplace in the house. And right here it tells you what it is, just in case, I guess you forget. It says it. But yeah, this is perfect for your glasses. And this is like the weirdest feeling too. It's not like a normal eyeglass cloth. So I can't wait to try this on my sunglasses and my mom's glasses. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm really excited. So this is what I got. So yay. Thank you, Norwex. And thank you, Dawn. my crazy candle and cleaning lady. So Dawn Co. I will have her info below. So thank you. Bye.